How to fix Instagram story GIFs and stickers not showing. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this problem. So if you're trying to post anything on your Instagram story and trying to add GIFs or stickers, but you're not able to do so because it's not loading. So let me just go ahead and create a story first. So if I just go ahead and try to add stickers or GIFs here and try to search for anything, and if it's not loading, the main reason why this happens is if you go back to your profile, you want to check your third-party cookies on your settings. Tap on the three lines at the top right. From here, go to Account Center and scroll down until you find your information and permissions. Now simply head over to Manage Cookies here. So what you can do here is under Upload Contacts, you should have the Manage Cookies icon, but if you are not able to see that, what you can do is just go ahead and go back. Go back to your settings and scroll down until you find the Help section, and then tap on it. Go to Report a Problem, continue to report, and once you report the problem, once you tap on Report a Problem, you're gonna have to tell them that you are not able to load your GIFs and stickers on Instagram and simply send it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.